Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw this really simple looking star from Cuphead. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this really simple looking star, and to begin we're going to draw his nose first. So we're just going to draw one little elongated circle, and then we're going to go out, and this is actually going to be his cheeks. Okay, and then from there, now we can draw his eyeball. So like from the middle here, he's going to come up, have a curve, and it's going to come back down over the cheeks. So then on this side as well, so we're going to come up, curve, just going to come back down into the cheek. And then now for the inside, just draw a curve like this, and then again angle. And then on the other side, it's going to be the same thing, just opposite angle. And let me shade it in so we can see it a little bit better. Okay, so now it looks like an eye. Alright, so now we're going to finish off the cheek. So down here, just kind of continue this curve a little bit. And then we can go straight down to his mouth. So this is going to be his lip. And then on the lower part of his lip, just going to draw a little curve. And for his tongue, it's going to be super easy. So just draw two little humps like that. Okay, so now we're going to go back up and draw his eyebrow. So right here, we're just going to draw one curve like this. And then we're going to try to draw the opposite curve, kind of the same on the other side. And then now we can start from the corners. We're going to go up. Okay, so give it a lot of thickness in the middle, and then just kind of taper it in, back into the corner. Alright, so now that we have the face, we just have to draw the star. So we're going to start this side. Draw a line. Okay, so just kind of curve it down a little bit, and we're going to come back here. Okay, so right from to the sides of his cheek. So we're going to start there. We're just going to connect those two lines. Okay, and then from here, we can draw, just have two lines come out right from the bottom of his lip. And then now we can connect these. So it could be a little bit tricky. If yours is a little bit lopsided, it's okay. And from here, we're gonna keep going up. So around the eyebrow here, we're just gonna come straight up. We're gonna come straight down to complete the star. And that's it for this little star from Cuphead. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. And I will see you next time.